first program is to add, subtract, multiply or divide two 8-bit numbers. So this is the assembly level assembly language program. So as we already discussed, we the programmers create data segment and code segment into the program. So this dot data, here we are creating the data segment as we need to add two numbers to 8-bit numbers. So here I've taken two variables, num1 and num2, and this db is the data type of this variable. Db means defined bytes. It has 8-bit values. It can take 8-bit values. There are other data types also which we've already discussed in the class. Number 1 I'm assigning value 04 and number 2 is 02h. Now we need to add, subtract, multiply and divide these two numbers. Now here we are starting with the code segment dot code. Now this starts the keyword which we have to write when we begin the code segment, and here we will end the code segment. So end of this start. Now first thing we need is to initialization of data segment. So here we have created the data segment. So in the code segment I need to initialize the data segment. So to initialize this, whatever data is there, that we have to put this data, we have to put into segment register of data segment. So segment register is DS for data segment. So I need to put this data into DS. But this is immediate data which I want to put into DS, which is not allowed, right? So first I need to move this data into a general purpose register. So I am moving it into AX register, and then from AX I am moving it into DS. Now these two numbers, num1 and num2, I need to add both of them. So I cannot write directly add num1 comma num2. So I need to put these variables into the registers. So I'm moving them into AL and BL register. So now here AL has value 04H and BL has value 02H. Now I'm going to add these two. So add AL comma BL. What will happen? AL and BL will be added and the result will be stored into AL. Then I'm subtracting them. Subtract AL comma BL. Result will be stored into AL. Multiplication and division, they both have only one operand. Another operand will be the accumulator. So 8-bit accumulator in this case, AL will be considered. And this move AH comma 4CH INT21H is used to terminate the program. So this INT21H interrupt is used to perform various tasks. So it checks value of AH register. If there is 4C into AH register, then INT21 is used to terminate the program. So let's see how to run the program. To run the program, first open DOSBOX. Now here we have already mounted C drive. To mount it, you can type this command. Now if you see in C drive, our TASM folder is there. How to install it, that we have already discussed in the class. So in TASM folder, I have this file I have saved as exp1 experiment1.asm. For the extension of the file should be .asm because it's assembly language. So this file I have saved into a folder TASM inside C drive. So first here I need to go to that folder. So cd TASM. Now here I'll have to run the program. How to run it? We need to follow 3 steps. First step is TASM space file name. Our file name is exp1.asm. If there are any errors in the file, you will get the error and warning messages here. For now there are no errors in the program. Next is we have to link the program. So for that we need to type tlink space file name. Only the file name, not the extension is not required. So tlink space exp1. Now to run it, td, to debug the program, td space file name. So file name is exp1. td space exp1. Now if you get this pop-up, program has no symbol table, just press OK. Click OK. Now I need to, now here you can see the code which we have written, and here are the registers on which we will see the output of every register. So initially AX, BX, CX, DX, all these registers are having values 0. Now we will run the program step by step, one steps we will run, and then we will see the output of every step here. To run the program step by step, you can press F8 from the keyboard, or from here also you can click step over, and or if you want to run the entire program, you can click run from here. But right now AX is having value 0000. If I press F8, AX will have value 44AF. So AX is updated. Now whatever is there into AX, that should go to DS. So here DS is having some random value right now. After running this step, DX will be having value. DS is having value 44AF. Now here in the program, if you see, we have moved AL. We have done move AL comma num1. Num1 was the first variable. So AL should have 04H. Now here this num1 is stored at this memory location. So here whatever is the data present at this memory location, that will be stored into AL register. So the data at this memory location is 04H. So you can see AL is updated with 04H. Similarly, BL will be updated with 02H. So you can see here BL is updated with 02H. Now I'm going to add AL and BL. So 04 is AL and 02 is BL. Now when we add these two, 04 plus 02, it becomes 06H, and the result will be stored into the AL register. So AL will be updated with 06 and BL will remain as it is. So you can see AL is 6. Now next instruction is subtract AL comma BL. Now AL is 06, BL is 02. So 6 minus 2, 4 will be the result, 04 will be the result, which will be stored into 04. So AL will be updated, BL will remain as it is. So AL is updated with 04. Now multiplication has only one operand, BL, which is 02. Another operand will be the accumulator. So 8-bit accumulator is 04, the AL register, which is having value 04. So 04 into 02, 8-bit into 8-bit, two 8-bit values will be multiplied, and the result will be 16-bit. So it will be stored into AX, 16-bit accumulator. So 04 into 02 will become 0008. So that will be updated into AX register. So AX is updated. Now again, for division also we write only one operand is given into the instruction. Another will be the accumulator. So 8 divided by 2 will be performed. Result will be stored into the accumulator. So you can see AL is updated with 04, and there is no remainder, so AX is 0. Now this move AH, 4C and INT 21H is used to terminate the program. So first AH will be updated with 4C. Right now AH is 00. Then AH will be updated with 4C. So AH is 4C. Now when we execute interrupt 21, and it will check AH register. If it has 4C value, it will terminate the program. So press F8. So the program is terminated. Click OK. Now to exit this, you can press Alt X. Alt X, and you can type exit here.